Jesse and Eric here with Foundation Training. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about where your knee is in relation to the rest of your body when we're doing unilateral work. So, Eric's going to be setting up to do a woodpecker. He's going to bring his hands out, he's going to hinge his hips back. The common thing we see, the mistake we see now is people want to let that knee travel forward. Let me see a couple integrated hinges, Eric. Watch, as his hips go back, he's dumping out into this knee. One more time, that knee traveling forward. Let's go into a static. Hold it. Here's the fix. Eric, I want you to pull from the knee, reach the hip up and back ever so slightly. We're tensioning, we're taking him out of this front quad knee, loading him into the back of his leg, the hips, the posterior chain. We want this doing the work, not the quad and knee absorbing. Anything you want to add, big guy?
Hips drive. The knee follows. If the knee is leading the way, you're putting a lot of weight into a much smaller, less powerful, less stable joint. Load the hips, use the muscles surrounding them to control the knees and the ankles. You'll feel a lot better.
Apply it to your next practice, stream.foundationtraining.com. Get on the app.